Hello all, how are you? Hoping that you are doing good. In this video we are going to learn some important aptitude problems and solutions. Let's get started. The first question is, A is twice as good as workman as B and together they can finish a piece of work in 20 days. In how many days will A alone finish the work? Here A can do two parts whereas B can do only one part in a period of time. That means A is more efficient than B. And it is also given that A and B can finish a piece of work in 28 days. That means 2 parts plus 1 parts equal to 3 parts and 3 parts can be completed in 28 days. Now we were asked to find out the A alone work. A alone work means we need to find out the 2 parts work. For 3 parts 20 days have been taken. Then for 2 parts more number of days will be taken when compared with 28. So more by less into 28. That equal to 42 days. Option B is the correct answer. I hope you understood this problem. Let's move to the second question. A shopkeeper bought two varieties of rice. The first 20 kgs at 30 rupees per kg and other 25 kgs at 36 rupees per kg. After mixing two varieties of rice, at what rate should he sell the mixture to gain 20% profit? Here a shopkeeper has bought 20 kgs of rice at 30 rupees per kg, one variety, and another variety of 25 kgs he has purchased at 36 rupees per kg. That means variety 1 20 to 30 cost price is 600 rupees and another variety 25 into 36 equal to 900. 25 3 is 750, 25 6 is 150, 750 plus 150 equal to 900 rupees. These both are the cost prices. Cost price of two varieties of rice is 900 plus 600 equal to 1500 rupees. Now it is also given that he has sold all the rice at 20% profit. That means 10% of 1500 is 150 rupees. 20% means 300. So 1500 plus 300 equal to 1800 rupees. 1800 rupees and this is the selling price. What is the cost? What is the selling price of each kg? Means how many kgs are there? 20 kgs of one variety, 25 kgs of another variety. 20 plus 25 equal to 45 kgs of rice we have, and we are selling that 45 kgs of rice at 40 rupees per kg. Option C is the correct solution. Moving to the third question, the simple interest on a sum of money is 16 by 9 of the principal. That means SI equal to 16 by 9 of principal. Find the rate of interest if the numerical values of rate of interest and time are equal. It is given that simple interest equal to 16 by 9 of principal, and we also know that the formula as P into T into R by 100. Here the numerical values of rate and time are equal, that and we were asked to find out the rate of interest. So we will, instead of time we will write R into R, P into R into R into R by 100, that equal to R square into P by 100 equal to 16P by 9. Principal gets cancelled. R square equal to 100 into 16 by 9, R equal to 40 by 3%. That is 13 1 by 3% is the rate. Option B is the correct solution. Moving to the fourth question. Mr. Sam distributed his savings among his wife, his two sons and one daughter. He gave 40% of the total amount to his wife, 55% of the remaining amount he distributed equally among his two sons, and remaining amount of 1,24,200 he gave to his daughter. How much money did Mr. Sam have as savings? That means Mr. Sam is having certain sum of money which is 100%. Out of 100%, he has given 40% to his wife, and the remaining is 60%. Out of the 60%, he has distributed the 60%, 55% of this 60% to his two sons. That means 10% value of 60% is 6, and 50% means into 5, that is 30%. After that again 5% is there, 50% is completed. Now 5% value is 3, that is 33%. Hence 33% has been distributed to his two sons, and each son will get 16.5%. So that is the different thing. And the remaining amount 1,24,200 he has distributed to his daughter. 40 plus 33 equal to 73. Remaining is 27%. That means 27% is equal to 1,24,200. We were asked to find out the 100% value. That is 100 by 27 into 1,24,200. Here 2 zeros and here 2 zeros. Therefore, our answer will be getting 4 zeros. After that, 7, how many times we get 2? 7 6 are 42. That means our answer should end with 60,000. There is only one option, option D is the correct answer. Moving to the last and final question. A 3-meter path is to be constructed along a rectangular plot on the inside. The perimeter of the plot is 160 meter. If the rate of construction is 32.5 rupee per square meter, find the total cost of the construction. It is given that there is a rectangular plot. Consider this as A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D rectangular plot is there, and we need to construct a path. Inside it. Therefore, this is the path we have to construct, and inside here another rectangle forms. Consider it as E, F, G, H. Therefore, area of the rectangular plot is length into breadth, and area of the inside rectangle is L minus 6 into B minus 6, because this area is 3, this is 3, this is 3, and this is 3. So L minus 6 into B minus 6. If we subtract this area from this big rectangular plot, we will get the path area. Hence, LB minus of L minus 6 into B minus 6. After that, L into B, LB minus 6 of L plus B plus 36 if we distribute, and multiply this entire bracket with minus. We get LB gets cancelled, 6 of L plus B minus 36. We were also given that perimeter of the plot is 160 meters. That means 2 of L plus B equal to 160. Here we have 6 of L plus B. That means into 3 of this. 6 of L plus B is equal to 480. 160 into 3 equal to 480. 480 minus 36 is 444 meter square. Now we were asked to find out the cost of the construction. Per square meter we will get the cost is 32.50, and such that we have 444 meter square. 444 can be written as 4 into 111 into 32.50. 32 and of double 65, 65 double 130, 130 into 111. In the answer we will be getting 0, and 13 ones are 13. That means answer should be ending with 30. There is only one option, option C, 14,430 rupees is the correct solution. Hoping that you have understood all the problems. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and be happy.